There we're going, here we go. This is the Treflach Mandala garden. And where are we? The 20-something of May. So we've still got a way to go. There's our potato bed. Actually, that's going quite quickly. We've not had any rain, so it's been very, it's quite stressed. This was kale, which we've just pulled up because it's gone to seed. These are our perennial onions, which they look very healthy actually, even though they need some rain. Cabbages, just getting going. A bed of garlic. Some more garlic. Put in some pumpkins here. I'm just getting started. Or squashes, not quite sure. Broad beans didn't do so well. We've got a few of them. Letting the chard go to seed, so we get seeds from that, which we will save next season. These are leeks, which are going to seed as well. Some tomatoes in here. Our living archway. And on my project this week has been planting out maize, which we're hoping will flourish. Have some sweet corn. A few beds of that. And we've been picking this and feeding it to the pigs today. Some chard, more maize, and spinach, peas, and more onions, and we're back to the potatoes. There's our first little GoPro film.